Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the situation if you have auto turn not working on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments at the end of the video. And let's get started. So, first of all, I would like to show you what auto turn is in general, how it works. To do that, I'm going to go to YouTube to show you an example of a video. And let's say that if I have a video playing right now, and I just flip my phone over like this, the video will automatically flip over and then flip back. That's what auto rotate is on your iPhone. But if it's not working for you, now I'm going to show you a few ways you can fix it. First, solder from the right side from top to bottom in order to go to shortcuts. And when you're in the shortcuts menu, make sure that this shortcut here, the auto turn lock shortcut, it's not active. If you do have it active, like I have it active at the moment, then that means you may have accidentally locked the auto turn. So just deactivate it. This way, you will be able to further use auto turn on your iPhone. If that doesn't help, then go to your phone settings. Swipe down, find display and brightness. Also swipe down, select zoom display. And this is where you will need to change. If you have small text, change to large text. If you have large text and large labels, then change it to small. What this is done for? It helps your phone to reboot and refresh a bit. This way, the auto rotate feature can be activated. If this method didn't work for you, and you have the auto rotate problem only in one app, for example, only in YouTube, then you just close the YouTube app. If you open it, and you don't have auto rotate, then just close it. Sometimes I may also recommend that you uninstall the app in question and reinstall it after a few minutes. This will help the app to update on your phone, and thus the auto turn feature may work. If none of the above helps you, then go to your phone settings. Then go to General. Then scroll down and here choose to transfer or reset your iPhone. Press Reset. And further reset all the settings. This way your phone will reset all the settings that it has. And that way the auto rotate setting will be active. Friends, this is how you can try a few ways to try and fix the auto rotate not working on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, write your comments and also put your likes. See you soon.